Okay, sure. No, my name is Rob Swinkels. I'm a senior economist with the World Bank, and so one of the things I work on in Tanzania is helping to strengthen capacity for using data for good decision making. So we find the latest developments very interesting in terms of big data. Telephone surveying data in particular have shown great potential to inform decision makers very rapidly in the case of a shock like COVID-19. It's a new type of statistics that you can use and generate. It's very exciting. We're working with statistics office on that. But even beyond, you see data from mobile payment data or satellite data offer great potential to quickly track changes across population groups and what needs to be done to help them. Using poverty maps, for example, using satellite data is a new trend. And using machine learning techniques. So there's a lot of data around that you can use and that you can put to good use for development. Same for payment data, mobile payment data. There you have to protect privacy of respondents. Once you're able to do that, you can also quite quickly track consumption trends and sort of look at shocks and who is impacted by particular economic downturns. So it's a lot of opportunity. So today we had a session where we discussed various challenges, of course, that exist, but those can be resolved, and so it's an interesting development. Yeah. So you need so this work needs a lot of good young technical people that can work with data. Data science is the area that can solve a lot of problems. Having the data is one thing, but how do you put them to good use? And that requires a lot of sharp minds, a lot of young people who have the energy, the ideas, the ability to develop the apps, to develop ways to make these data visible, useful. So a DataLab can sort of mobilize the energy among this sort of young community in Tanzania to make that happen. So I think this is really great to have sort of these events. I think they're important.